Hi, my name is Christina Rudney, marketing consultant and certified email marketing specialist. I have helped several businesses generate more leads, boost sales, and increase their profits. Facebook is one of the most effective advertisement platforms available today, and email marketing is the other. Imagine what could you do if you combined both. We live in a fast world and people use their mobile phone for a lot of things. They are always logged in on Facebook and they always get notifications as soon as they get a message. And we all love to get messages. In fact, that's the other platform for advertising and growing a list through people's Facebook Messenger. Build a list and keep in touch with customers via automated chat messages, send broadcast messages, engage them in conversations, and send automated sequences. ManyChat is a great tool to do all of the above and more, and it's free. Once you set it up, it works automatically. Whether your goal is to improve customer service, grow your subscriber list, or get more awareness, ManyChat can handle these tasks automatically. In this course, I will show you how to set up a messenger bot, how to send different messages and promotions, how to generate more leads and boost your visibility in this noisy world. I will show you exact blueprints that businesses use for their chatbot marketing and a lot of real-world examples. I will share some ManyChat tips and tricks and continuously update the course if there is something new I can share with you. Whether you are a part of a larger marketing department or just doing your own marketing for your business, you should try messenger bots. They are new, they are fresh, and they are a step ahead of your competitors. If you want more engagement, higher open and click-through rates, and increase sales, enroll in this course and step up out of your comfort zone, try something new.